Hi, hello. Hi Aditya, hi everyone. Let's wait for guys 2-3 minutes more. We'll start from 9:05. We'll start from 9:05. Vasant, are you there? Vasant, have you joined? Hi Vasant, hi, how are you? Hi CP. Is it okay now, Vasant? Still not okay. I think it should okay. Thank you Aditya for confirmation. Okay, now thank you Chandra Prabhat. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining GP. Welcome to our first live stream. Please call your friend, guys. CP, please call your friend as well. We'll start from 9:05, correct? Vasant, how are you? What we can say in Tamil? Ipdi irukinga, what? Can you confirm us? Ipdi irukinga, what we can say? Ipdi irukinga is correct. Thank you, thank you. I think I know little bit Tamil. Ipdi irukinga is correct. Okay. Nalla irukinga. Nalla irukinga means like I am fine, right? How about like nalla irukinga means I am fine. Ninga eppadi irukkinga means I am also fine, right? Ninga is for me and Nalla is for like if I am saying Nalla means me and Ninga is for that someone is replying, right? This is not DSA class, this is Tamil class from now. Okay, guys, shall we start, guys? Okay, let's me start. Only three viewers are there. Where is our team yaar? நல்லா இருக்கேன். Where is our team? நல்லா இருக்குங்க. I am good. நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? How are you? Okay. I think Irukiga is for not like respected one, na? It's from like if I'm calling Da, so it's for if I'm having younger brother for them, it is for Ningai Pudi Irukiga. This is not respected one, I think so. I don't know. I think so. If we will ask from senior person, then I think it will not work. Okay, guys, shall we start now? Please, like, if you not, let's start, guys. Today we have to like cover lots of thing in arrays. Okay, let me set today's agenda. What exactly we are going to cover today? Okay, see here we have this sheet. Okay, everyone having that sheet. Let me share you in that chat as well. Let me share in the chat as well. Okay, so we have the sheet, and yesterday we checked, right, that second largest element how we can find, right, that largest element also we can how we can find. Guys, please ignore this program for now. Okay, this is like different program. I put it by mistakenly. Okay, so for now, yesterday we did that program, right, second largest. If we want to find that first largest element in array, suppose okay, this is our array cheat sheet. If now I have just suppose I have one array here. Okay, I have one array here, and I have like 2, 3, 6, and 7. Okay, and 9. So what is the largest element in array? It's 9, right? What is the second largest element in array? It's 7, right? So we did that program yesterday, right? We saw two three approaches there. We can short it as well. We can like compare it by one, like a of I should be greater than like this, right? We saw that all things. Now I'm just making it little bit complex. Okay, you have to guess this how you can find this. Okay, little bit complex, but the answer will be straightforward. Okay, for that, now what we have to do now, suppose I have one array. Okay, let me make a good array first. Wait, suppose we have this beautiful array. Okay, and what we have elements in that array. Suppose 2 is there, 4 is there, 1, 0, 9, and 8. Okay, these elements we have in array. Okay, now what we have to find the kth largest element. We don't know. User will provide the input, guys. User will provide the input. User will provide the input. Okay, the input will come from user. Suppose user want fourth element in that array, fourth largest element in that array. How we can find? So this is how we can do this. So basically, if anyone want to tell, they can tell in chat. If anyone want to tell, they can tell. This is simple only, but little bit like tricky. Okay, little bit tricky. Like how we can find that kth. Like suppose there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements in array, right? Now I am asking, tell me that fourth largest element. Tell me fourth largest element. Fourth largest element. Yes, Subhas, you're right. Now it's like simple only, but little bit tricky. Yes, we can iterate it. That is very very best approach for that. Then we'll take the index. Okay, n minus 4. Why, Vasant? N minus 4 is why? Sort n minus 4. N to 4 you are saying, I think so. I didn't understand. Okay, let me explain you. Let me explain you. This is simple one only, guys. This is simple one. Nothing we need to do. Just sort it. First sort the array and get the value from kth index and store it in variable and that is correct. The same thing we need to do, guys. Siva, you are correct. The same thing we need to do. Let's quickly make that program, guys. Just open your compiler as well. Please open your compiler as well and start that program, guys. Suppose I have my array here, okay? Suppose I have my array like 2 comma 4 comma 7 comma 1 comma 3 comma 9, okay? Now what we have to do? What we have to do? We have to find that kth index, like kth, like biggest number, okay? What we can say, biggest number or largest element. So suppose user entered here. Let me make one. Let user index, okay? User index is basically what, at which number user want from which index, okay? So suppose user entered 4. Now what we have to do? We have to just sort it. We have to just sort it. I think you are all are able to see my screen. Let me change the view little bit. Yes, now it will be more visible. See, okay, now what we have to do? We have to just sort it. Just sort that. We know, all know how we can sort it. Just use sort function, okay? It will not work for number properly, that's why we are using that function inside, okay? It will return a minus b, okay? Now this is our sorted array, okay? Now what we have to do? Let me console it first. Let me console it first. See, this is like, this is sorted array, right? This is sorted array, right? Now what we have to do? We want that exact index. Shiva sent his code. Let array equal to this k. Yes, yes, exactly same. Now what we have to do? We want that user index. See, guys, this is only we want, guys. This is only we want. Okay, I think you all are able to understand that. Okay, is this clear, guys? This is little bit tricky. Just put short and just put that index. Okay, just put that index. It work until the array elements in single digit. My code. Okay. Yes. Yes. Right. See. Okay. Change user index to 2, bro. Okay. Let me change the user index to 2. This is showing 3. Okay. Let me first 0 1 2. Okay. Okay, Vasant. So it is showing like that index value. Okay. So this is the program, guys. This is the program. Just like practice this. Okay. Just practice this program. Now we are going ahead. We are going ahead. Let me, but we want kth element from this. Okay, let's move ahead. Means the question is find the value of given index. Yes. No. What you are saying means the question is find the value of given index. This is basically we are finding kth largest and kth smallest. Are you seeing? This is for basically largest. This is for largest. Okay. Whatever that position it, we are just returning it. Okay. Let me send this code. Just put in your. This is the code. Okay. So let's move ahead, guys. Let's move ahead. So what we are going to do next program? What we are going to do the next program? Check if array is sorted. Let me check. Now next program will be check if array is sorted. Okay. Check if array is sorted. I'm just removing it. What we have to do? What we have to do now? Just 1 second. Hmm. Check if array is sorted. Check if array is sorted. Siva Singh is sort. Yes. In Python, it will be return boolean values. Okay. Yes, we can solve one program from many approach. Okay. So we can solve many from many approach. So guys, please focus on that question. Now what we have to do? We have to find like check if array is sorted or not. Now tell me your approach for that program. First approach, what I can do, like how I can check that. Suppose I have this array 1 comma 5 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. Okay, now I need to check this array is sorted or not. Shiva Singh saying is sort, that is the first approach. Okay, is sort we can use is sort. Okay, we got that first approach. Okay, it will return true false, right? Yes Shiva, it will return true false, right? Means if it is true means it is sorted, otherwise it will false. Okay, how we can do without? Now just tell me how we can do without using any method. How we can do this without using any method? Just comment it guys, how we can do this. Okay, let me tell. So how we can do, we will compare each element. Check previous element is greater than current. Yes, correct, correct. So we will just compare it. Suppose 1 5 2 3 6 is there, right? So what we will do, we will just compare it. We will compare it. 1 and 5 means 1 if this element will greater. If suppose this element will greater from this element, means our array is not sorted, right? If this element is greater from this one. Okay, if first one is greater than from second one, it means our array is not sorted. But here in this case this element is smaller, so we will move ahead. We will move ahead. Now we have 5 here, then we have 2 here. Okay, we have 5 and 2. What will happen now? 5 is greater than 2, right? 5 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 2, right? So this array means not sorted. Not sorted, right? We will just compare it like that first element should not be greater than from second element. Then we will increase that loop by one. Okay, we will check that program as well. If anyone know any other approach, just tell that also. Third approach we are waiting. We have one more approach, let me introduce this also. We have every method as well here. Okay, in JavaScript, I think, who know every method in JavaScript? In JavaScript, every method guys. Every method guys in JavaScript. Who know? Is anyone know every method in JavaScript? use 2 for loops and iterate it. Yes, we can do that as well. Okay, we can do, or we can do this as well. Suppose suppose this is our normal array which is given by user. This is our normal array. Okay, let me change. This is our, suppose this is our normal array, and we will sort this array. Sorry, we will reverse that. Wait, what I'm saying, suppose 1 3 5 6 are there. Okay, 1 3 5 6 are there. Every method used to find the given condition meet all the condition or not. Yes, yes. So we can use every method here as well. I will explain you. Let me tell this one. So what we can do here, without sort, we can, but we cannot reverse it here. We cannot reverse it. This approach, I think it will not work. Maybe it will work. We'll see. We'll see while doing. Okay. So we can do this by every method as well. So every method, let me explain you who don't who not know about it. So it return true false. Okay, it return true false. Your answer is correct, Shiva. In case, if any value got fails, if any condition got fails, it will directly return. It will not iterate till last element. Not iterate till last element. Okay, it will not iterate till last element. This is basically, if I got this value, means suppose if I am saying, let me show you. If I am saying here is one number. Okay, here is one number, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, now I am saying just tell me that all numbers are positive. Okay, and suppose minus 1 also there here, minus 1 also there here. Okay, now what will happen, it will check 1, then it will check minus 1, then it will directly return from it here. It will show false. It will show false. Okay, basically it will return the boolean result. Okay, it will return the boolean result. Please repeat with me. Every is a method which will return true false. Okay, it stop if that method got any failure condition. Okay, any failure condition, and it will not impact, it will not create any impact on original array. Okay, it will not create any impact on original array. This is basically JavaScript method. If you are using Java, if you are doing in Java, I think there should be some methods like this. Okay, okay, so we can do this program by these approaches, guys. We can do this program by these approaches. We can check that if array is sorted. Vasant, are you there? Vasant, have you like, have you understand that, or you know any other approach? Are you is there any other approach also we can do? Shiva, Ayush, anyone? Chandraprabha, Chandraprabha, where are you? B cube. Vasant, is there any like another approach also we can do? See, is sort function we have F. Shiva saying letter is this, response is this, and this is this. This one we already discussed, Shiva. We already discussed this one. Okay, your code, I will check that code as well. Is there any another approach also, guys? Okay, so let's try it. Let's try it, guys. Let's try it. What we are going to do, just we are making this. Let me copy the Shiva code. Let me check it once. He sent this code like this. Okay, So here what exactly is happening? Response false, then this, then we are printing response. Yes. Okay, I think all are able to directly understand that program because it's like quite simple. If not, I'm just telling. Okay, I'm just telling it. Let me run it first. Let me check is this working or not. See. Okay, let me now check it for this. This is working, guys. This is working. Well done, Seva. Well done. This is working. Okay, now let me just explain you what exactly the in program happening. Okay, we have this condition. Guys, in interview, what you need to do? In interview, what you need to do? Please listen me, warriors. Hello, guys. If you got any problem now, if you got any problem, just solve it first. Okay, don't think to optimize it. Don't think anything. Just solve it. So this series is also basically for beginner friendly, right? We are here because first we need to solve that problem. Okay, first solve that problem, then think about optimization or anything. Okay, if your interviewer will ask, then only. Okay, first you need to run that code. Your output should print. Your output should print. Okay, that is very very important thing. Okay, now let's understand that program. Let's understand this. What exactly is happening here? What exactly is happening here? See, I have this. Let me make it little bit small. Okay, so see, we have one array. We have our array. Okay, which is this one. Okay, we have this array. Now we make one dummy variable, or we can say temporary variable response. Okay, Siva, you haven't defined that variable. Please define this as well. This is not like correct way. Okay, just define this by where or something or let or anything. Okay, but in JavaScript we have that freedom. Okay, okay, so we define that variable here. Now let me clear it. Now what we are going to do in that loop, just understand that loop concept. Okay, just focus on this loop. Okay, I think all are able to understand that. Okay, see here, till when, see guys, this condition is very main. Okay, this condition is very main. Okay, now what exactly we are doing here, we are iterating that loop till array dot length minus 1 means array dot length minus 1 what means array indexing starting from 0, right? 0 1 2 3, right? So why we are taking length minus 1? Because array indexing will start from 0. Okay, okay, but our array dot length method, our array dot length method just tell the exact length. Okay, just tell the exact length like 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, it will print 5. But of our 85 value now, our 85 value, it is not in fifth index, it is not in fifth index, it is in fourth index. Okay, it is in fourth index. So that's why we are putting array dot length minus 1. Guys, if you are writing anything, you should know that thing. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are just making that condition till this element. Okay, and we are just comparing it. Okay, what we are doing, suppose in first iteration what will happen, we have I value as 0. Okay, our loop will go till last it will go, and I plus plus. Okay, now what we are comparing here, guys, what we are comparing here, see, in that first iteration what will the I value is, I value 0. Okay, now array of 0, array of 0, what is this value? This is 3, right? This is 3. Is 3 bigger than array of I plus 1? Array of I plus 1, I plus I is value 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, then array of 1 value is, what is that? One index. See, 0 1 2 3 4, it is 16, right? It is 16, means 3 is greater than 16. Is it? 3 is greater than 16? No, it is not, right? So it will not go inside that loop. it will not go inside that loop. Okay, it will go in that loop only if our this condition, guys, this condition is greater than this. Okay, okay, I hope you understand that thing. I hope you understand. See, in first iteration it will not go. In second iteration what will happen? See, guys, I will plus. Okay, I will plus. Then our this index, let me create this thing. Just give me 1 minute. See here. See, guys, this is our array. Okay, this is our array. Now I'm just rapidly making that. I'm just rapidly making this. Vasant, let me give 1 second only. Okay, I'm just checking your code as well. Six. Okay, guys, I'm just telling you that loop working. Okay, छोड़ दे. Okay, so here I have elements. Here I have elements. Suppose 2 is there. Okay, 2 is there, 3 is there, 9 is there, 0 is there, 1 is there, and 2 is there. Okay, now what will happen in that logic? In that our logic, a of I is greater than a of I plus 1. That only we are checking, right? That only we are checking. Okay, guys, please have patience. Today's video will little bit long. Okay, just have patience. Okay, so see, we are just taking this index to this index, right? Then we'll I like increase that loop condition, then we'll check by this to this, right? Then we'll check by this and this, then we'll go by this and this, then we'll go by this and this. So this is basically happening. We're just comparing first element to last. Next one, if it is greater, then we will directly return false. We will directly return false. If not, we will return at last in true. That same thing happening here, guys. The same thing happening here. Okay, he made one variable here true, and he's doing it false in case of in case of okay, see this. I hope you all are understand that thing. I hope all you are understand that thing. Okay, guys, are you able to understand that thing? The simple loop. Okay, let I am putting one poll here. Now let me take that Vasant code. Ta, ta, ta. Problem statement is Umang, we need to check that array is sorted or not. That's it. Problem statement is our array is sorted or not. None. I am running your code, Vasant. Let's check now. Console dot. I think Vasant, your whole code is not there. I think so. Your whole code is not there. Okay, that's why it is not running. Okay, no problem. You understand that this concept is necessary. This concept is necessary. Okay, this concept is necessary. Okay, if you are just what we need to do, just make one variable above there, and just assign true false. Okay, just assign true false. Okay, let's, shall we move ahead, guys? Shall we move ahead? Shall we move ahead for that next program? Please comment. Shall we move ahead? Inside console true. Inside console true. Na, na, na. It will run, yaar. Wait. But it should not like this. Just break it. Okay. If it is false, na, just break it. But again, this this will also print. So for that, just make one variable check. Okay. Initialize this check by this, and we nothing need to do. Just initialize this like this. Okay. And just print that check variable at last. Just print that check variable, it will work. Okay, see, this is not sorted. Okay, this is not sorted. But if I'm doing like this, 5, like 3 4 5, okay, 3 4 5, so then it will work. Okay, see, 3 4 5 is running, right? Okay, it is getting true. Okay. Yes, Vasan. So shall we move ahead? Let's move ahead, guys. Let's move for the next program, reverse an array. Okay, reverse an array. Let me submit that program here as well here. Check if array is sorted, whether the sorted. Let's submit that code there as well, guys, in Geeks for Geeks. Let me open my Geeks for Geeks portal. 1 second. Just open this, guys. Just please open this. Please open this. Just open your Geeks for Geeks portal. Just log in it. Okay. Okay. Just log in this, and we'll check what is the problem. Okay. It is not getting. Yes, it is working. Okay, it is working. Just open your compiler. Hey, when I did this, using function, I don't know how that code is coming. See, guys, at 1110 point, that like that program fails. Okay, this also happened in interview. Okay, please take care about this as well. First thing, we need to run our program. Okay, let me, now we need to make this. Just open your Geeks for Goats, Geeks for Geeks. Vasant, just open your Geeks for Geeks portal. Vasant, Shiva, open your Geeks for Geeks portal. So, understand problem, given an array, okay. Check whether it's sorted in non-decreasing order. Return true if it is sorted, otherwise false. Okay. Return true if it is sorted, otherwise false. But one more condition here, it should be in non-decreasing order. Okay. Now we have to check it. Now what we have to check? What we have to check? That array is sorted or not in non-decreasing order. Means in increasing order. Okay. Vasant, have you opened that your Geeks for Geeks portal? Vasant, Shiva. Okay, that thing we need to do. Umang, please open here. Umang et al. whoever are watching, just open and just submit it. Okay, just open and submit it. Please open, Vasant. Please open. Just sign in there. It is in sheet as well. See, when you go on that sheet, na, when you go on that sheet, check if array is sorted. See this program. Check if array is sorted. That practice session. Okay, and now I'm just pasting here as well. Okay, just open that program. Okay, now what we have to do? What we have to do? We have to check it. Okay, we can take the same code. There is nothing new there. There is nothing new there. Okay, let me paste it. Guys, please open your GFG portal. Okay, this is very necessary. Yeah, this is very necessary. Okay, now what we are doing here? We initialize the check. We have array till length -1 will move. Okay, we'll set check as a false. We'll set check as a false and we'll break here that program. Okay, now we'll return that check. Okay, we'll return the check after that loop. Okay, after that loop we'll return the check. Let me check it once. Check is there. Array dot length -1. Okay, array of I plus 1. Okay, let me compile it once. This is working. Let me submit it now. See, this is working, guys. This is working, but it is showing you get marks only the first correction if you solve that without viewing the full solution. But we haven't checked that full solution here. Geeks or geeks don't do this with us. Okay, see this code is working, guys. Just tell me in comment your code is working or not. Quickly, guys, quickly. Open your VS, open your GFG portal, submit your code. Okay, just submit your code and put in chat. I am waiting for 2 minutes, then we'll move ahead, guys. Then we'll move ahead. Just open your GFG portal and submit that code. Okay, just open, guys, who joined now. So we are running DSA series here. Okay, so you can join that series daily at 9. We are doing from 9 to 11. This is like beginner friendly series. Okay, we are doing DSA here from scratching to last. So this is the series where you can learn with us. Okay, and you can take the most benefits for you. Actually, when we submit on GFG and it was accepted on very first time, GFG gave 1 point to us that we can use to avail other services. Okay, I okay, Umang. Thank you for telling her. I will remember from next time. Umang, your code is submitted. Umang, brother, your code is submitted. Umang, Vashant, and Shiva. And guys, please like it. If you not, please like this. Okay, we have to make 15 likes today. We have to make 15 likes. Yes, bro, same. Okay, you also got that error. I'm waiting for Vasant and Shiva. And Ankit, have you done that? Ankit, are you there? Ankit, just open your GFG portal and sign in, like sign up there if you not having that account. How to run the code in Geeks for Geeks. See, this is the panel for Geeks for Geeks. Okay, this is the panel for Geeks for Geeks. This is the panel for Geeks for Geeks. Okay, just put your code here. Okay, good. See, this is the function. Okay, just first check your compiler. Okay, put it to JavaScript. Complete your code and see this. This is our code. Okay, this is our code, and just compile and run first. I think that compile and run is behind my photo. See, I think now you are able to see. See, this compile and run is there, right? Just press compile and run. Okay, then it will compile the program. Then if you got that pop-up, okay, then just submit it. Then just submit it. Likewise, we can. Okay. Have your code is running there? Wasn't just share me that screenshot in WhatsApp quickly. Fast, 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 fast. We have to move ahead then. If your code is running, just take the photo and share me. I will check. @Shiva. Vasant. Okay. Shiva also done. Shiva also done. Very good, Shiva. Just Vasant, Ankit also done, right? Ankit also done. Okay, fine. Umang also done. Everyone have completed. Okay, Vasant sent compilation. Just submit it also. Just submit it also. Vasant, just submit it also. Just submit your program. Let's move ahead then. Okay. Okay, let's move ahead. Done. Okay. Very, very good. Let me check the program. Guys, give me 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. एक वेरिएबल बना ले. Okay, let's move ahead, guys. Let's move ahead. I think Ankit Vashant, Siva, everyone's code running. Okay, let's move ahead. Guys, we will go slowly for that array series. Okay, because we need to understand that concept in very depth. Okay. Yes, Vasant, nice. Your code have completed in first attempt. Very good. Very good, Vasant. Okay, let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. Now we have that program for reverse and array, guys. See, reverse and array we already did here. Just open the same thing, guys. Please open that same thing. Please open same program like this. Open this. Why this is coming here? Umang, have you know like why this is coming? Umang, I think I already completed these programs. That's why I think it's coming. But it should show in submitted section. If then, guys, please open that program. I think you all are able to see my screen. Okay, just please open your that copy that link from there. Okay, just copy that link. Open this. Okay, open this and come here and just make your program here. Reverse, we can just use reverse as well. Okay, we can use reverse as well. Or if we attempt this question before, then your old code will come. Okay, I don't know. Yaar. Let be added length. Okay, reverse. Everyone know, guys. Please do and submit it. Let me check this. But if I will submit now, if it will not run, from next time I will make. Okay, it is running. Okay, just submit that code, guys. What I'm doing here, I'm just reversing it and just I am putting it. Okay, simple thing, guys. You are becoming champ slowly. Okay, you are becoming champ. We have to do these problems as well today. Okay, let's start from next. Shall we start, guys? Or let me wait for 2 minutes more for reverse program. Okay, just open that GFG portal and submit it, guys. These portal are very necessary. Okay, GFG lead code. Okay, because you can share your profile to recruiters so they can like better understand about yourself, like you are doing programming. Okay, so from now we will go like this only. We will go by this speed. Just complete your code, just run your code. If not run, send me in WhatsApp, I will check, then we'll move. Okay, the reason is simple. We are running confidence JSA series. Okay, if we are doing one thing, we should have the confidence related to that. Okay, that is the main agenda. Okay, so Vasant, have you done? Vashant, Shiva, anyone? Please make it quick, guys. Please make it quick. Then we'll move zero index. This question is very best, must question, or I can say done. Ankit done. Shiva, that reverse one. Reverse one. I'm sending in chat as well. Just open that program and submit it. Okay, or you can do it later. Okay, you everyone know that concept. Okay, let's move, guys. For now, move all zero to last. Okay, this is good question, guys. This is good question. This is not good, this is best question. Move all zero to last index. अरे क्या- please open that question, guys. Please open that question. Very good, Shiva, very good. Enable dynamic log. I made my account in lead code as well, guys. Okay, So I am doing with you JavaScript. Just set your compiler to JavaScript. Okay, now see carefully guys, please see carefully what this program is saying. Move zeros. Okay, given an integer array number, move all zeros to the end. Okay, move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero element. Okay, see, we have that input 0 1 0 3 12. What we have to do, 1 3 12 and then 0 0, 1 3 12 and 0 0. Okay, suppose 0 is there, then 0. Could you minimize the total number of operations done? Okay, and 3.9 some million acceptance and submissions are this. Okay, so how you can do this guys, how you can do this, like how you can put the zeros in last. Think about it. Let me take this, let me take this and let's switch to Excel draw. Okay, think about it guys, think about it, how we can put zeros in last. I am waiting for your answer. Let me tell first approach. Let me start first. Okay, first approach, the simplest, or we can say hack approach. Hack approach hack approach is what? We will sort this array. What we'll do, we will sort this array. Okay, what we'll do, we will sort this array. Okay, then what will happen, it will automatically, that zero will come at the last. No, I think that program is not like this. They are saying put the zeros in last. Okay, but the order should not be changed. Okay, the order should not be changed. Vasant, sort and reverse. Suppose I will sort it like 0 0 1 3 12. Okay, see this, but our output should be not like 12 3 1 and 0 0. Okay, output should be, see in question guys, this is tricky question. Okay, not tricky question, but they will put something which we need to keep in mind. Okay, see here, our original input, okay, should not be changed. That 1 3 12 should come like 1 3 12 only. Okay, please keep it in mind, please keep it in mind. So how we can do this? Before telling my approach, just comment it guys. Wasn't this approach will not work which you have sent? Our hack approach also will not work. Now tell me what we can do here. You told me move 0 to last, so only I tell the process. Okay, but the program is not asking this. If you just need to move the 0 last, then it will work. Okay, okay. If anyone know, just comment it. If anyone know, just comment it. How we can do this? We no need, like, our main order should not be disturbed. Umang, are you there? Umang, please tell guys how we can do this. Think, think about it. Take a moment, take 1 minute, 2 minutes, then think about it. That our main order should not be affect. Okay, and zero also should go to last. Ankit, I got the response. I think first we have to know where we have zero in array. Okay, okay, then what the use for? Suppose we know now at zeroth and 0 1 2 at tooth location, these location we have array as a zero. Okay, now what we can do here? Think guys, think, please think. Like how exactly we can do this? Don't search in Google, okay? Please don't search in Google. Then we have to make a new array. Yes, Sankit, yes. That is, you are going to in right direction. You are going to in right direction. Okay, let me tell. Okay, let me tell. So what exactly we have to do? What we exactly we have to do? We first, what we not have to do? First thing, the array order, or we can say the array order. Let's print order or flow should not affect, should not affect. Okay, Shiva Singh, read it. Note that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. Okay, let me check this as well. You must do this in place without making a copy of the array. Okay, the approach is we can do this. Okay, the approach is, let me share you first. Let me share that approach. We'll check that also. We'll check that also. Okay, see, so one thing will iterate our main array. Okay, will iterate our main array. Okay, we'll iterate our main array. Then we'll check if we found 0 in any location. Okay, if we found 0 in any location, we will push these 0 in new array. We will push this zeros in new array. We'll make two array. Let, we can say 0 equal to this, and we can say let non-zero equal to this. Okay, then what we'll do, we will push these 0 to 0th one array. Okay, if, what will be our if condition? If array of I equals to 0, right? If array of I equal to 0, then what we'll do guys, we will push these element to 0th array, to this one array. Okay, and in else part what we'll do, in else part what we'll do, we will push non zeros element. Okay, the basic funda here, we will separate the zeros and non-zeros. Okay, the zeros and non-zeros, then we will spread it. Okay, then we'll use spread it, then we can find that solution. Okay, okay, I hope you understand that solution. Now let's code it guys, let's code it here in JavaScript compiler. Open JavaScript compiler and let's code for it. Okay, what exactly is given here? Please open the JavaScript compiler and code it. Okay, see here what we need to do. First, what we need to do, make two arrays. Let, please do with me guys, please do with me. 0, we, for now we are just making it 0 and non-zero. Okay, what we are doing here, we are making two arrays and then we are just iterating our array. Okay, till when? Till a dot length, a dot length minus 1, simple, then I plus plus. Okay, now what we are doing here, and a, it is not a, it is nums. Okay, it is nums. If nums of I, if nums of array equal to 0. Okay, then what we'll do guys, we will push that value in our zeroth array. Okay, in else part what we'll do, non-zero means if it is not zero means it is non-zero element. Okay, just put this like this. Okay, I think it will work. Let's see what will be the output. 0 and console.log non-zero. Okay, let's check. It is saying why we took. Let me change this nums to array. Nothing else I'm doing. Non-zero dot push. I forgot. Sorry. Let's start it again. See guys, 0013. Okay, it is because of our loop is not working equal to condition. Okay, see this is coming right, and now our main order is also not getting disturbed, right? See 1 3 12, and now what we have to do, just use spread operator. Just do like this. First what we need to print, non-zero. Okay, then what we need to print, 0. And see the magic. See the magic guys. See, that same exactly we need output here, right? 1 3 12 0 0. 1 3 12 0 0. See guys, same output we want, right? Ankit, have you done that? Ankit, please do if not yet. So what we are making here, what we are exactly doing here, we are just making two Sing, but this approach not according to the condition. We'll check here, we'll check. Okay, just try it. We'll check it will work or not. Okay, we are just making here two array. I think all are able to understand that thing. Thank you, Vasant. So what we are just doing here, we are just making two array, guys. We are just making two array, okay, and we are just pushing zeroth element and the non-zero element in different array, and we are just spreading. Spread is basically for like extracting that each element. Okay, thank you, Vasant. So now just check it in our we can say lead code. Shiva, just try that code in your lead code as well. Shiva, just try this. Open, guys, please open your now. Please open your lead code compiler. In the array, put 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 0 0. Not like this. We'll put 0. Bittu don't carry cheese. Bittu don't carry cheese comes in the chat. See, Vasant, it is working. Okay. Bittu don't carry cheese. We can do this. Vasant, we can do just change that order here. Just change the order here. It will work. Just change the order here. See, it will work. Okay. The printing style is different, right? You are saying like that's why I put that move all zero to last and first. Okay. Move all zero to last and first. Okay, that's why I put this. Okay. I hope you are able to understand. Bit to don't carry cheese comes in the chat. Anuj Singh, where is your friend? Anuj Singh, where is your friend Anuj Singh? Let me run this code. Let me try to run this code here. I forgot. We'll check here what exactly we are doing. In nums we have that array. Okay, let me change my a to guys, press Ctrl D. Okay, see here, I'm just doing like this, and press Ctrl D, it will directly move to that. Okay, okay. Umang, are you there? Umang buddy, your code is running. Sir, please study me in Tamil na. Okay, okay Anuj, we'll make a separate session. And what we have to do, just return what we need to do, return here a array of non-zero and 0. Umang, is your code running in lead code? Let me run this code, guys. Let me run this code. It is saying wrong answer. Why? Expect. Why it is coming? Nums dot length minus 1, 0, non-zero. Or we can do one thing here. We can just store result here. Result here. Okay. We can do like this. Let's try it. Okay, let's return that response. Now just try it. The wrong answer. How branch 0 1 0 3 12? Okay, let me take this input. 0 0 1 3 12. It is working here. It is working. It is working. Where it is not working? My is running in lead code. Very good, Aditya. Very good. Umang is saying move zeros in value numbers online. This. Okay, Umang. Very good. Yeah, very good. Let me check this code. Why this is not expecting accepted non-zero dot push. We have numbers here. Let's try this code here. 0 non-zero numbers. Don't take 11 clock to end the section. It getting sleeping time 11:30 and up to end 40. Otherwise you start little bit early. Okay, we'll see this here. It is working here. It is not working here. This also the problem we are in these comparers. 1 3 2, that same response is coming. Umang, can you tell Umang what is the problem here in this code? We'll try, Vasant, we'll try, because my office also I will. Umang, let me share this code. Not complete. Is anyone code Running from JavaScript for I also don't know. Thank you, Vasan. Thank you for adjustment. Do not return anything. Modify numbers in place instead. Just try it. That you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. I think so. It is not working because of this. Umang Gupta saying function move zeros. Let me try this code now. What he is saying, this one and this one. Okay. Guys, please solve the questions on late code as well. Okay, because in interview they will directly share the lead code link, or we can say GFG link. Okay, my system is shut down. No problem. Hoga. This is in JavaScript only. Let me paste it here. Okay, what we are doing, we are just initializing val as 0, then checking number not equal to 0, then okay, let me try to run it. Accepted. Very good, Umang. Very good, yeah. This is working, guys. This is working. Thank you, Umang. See, guys, in that section, na, we have the solution section as well. Okay, we have solution section as well. If you not able to solve that problem in 30 or 20 minutes, okay, if it is easy problem, try it in 10 minutes. Okay, if it is medium, try it 20 minutes maximum. I am saying maximum. Like if you are not able to think that logic itself, okay, don't take too much time from that time. Okay, then it will make a problem. Okay, so here we have solution section, we have submission section as well. Okay, this is the lead code. Here we can see that other solution as well. Move zeros, the easiest unusual. And see here we have that like filter as well. If we will filter from JavaScript, see, then we can check others guys solution as well who have submitted this. See what he is doing, basically non-zero. This is in Python, Java, C++, C, JavaScript. That only I am telling. Wasn't that only I am telling. Just open this lead code. Okay, there we have sections for like problem section. Okay, accepted one. This one is there. Okay, let me open it again. So whenever you click on that, okay, then it will show like this. Just go to your code section, select your compiler. Okay, same thing, yeah, same thing. Just put your code. Okay, put your code, just run it from here, then submit. That's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys, that is also running. So let's move to next question. Left rotate by D, or we can say right rotate by D. This is important question, guys. This is important question. Left rotate by D. Let me check. Guys, shall we move ahead? Before that, we'll do one more question here. We'll do one more question. This is also a tricky question. Okay, This is also a tricky question. See, check if array is sorted and rotated. Please focus on this, guys. Please focus on this. This is interesting question. Check if array is in sorted and rotated. We checked array is rotated, right? Sorry, sorted. But what is rotated here? What is rotated here? What is this? I think we have this program here as well. No, 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 no. I think see this one. This problem, guys. Check if array is sorted and rotated. Okay, this problem. This is also tricky problem. Okay, this is also tricky problem. So what exactly that problem is saying here? Okay, let me first explain you. Okay, let me first explain you. Suppose I have one array here. Okay, I have one array here. I have one array here. Okay, please focus for 5 minutes. Okay, and it having the values like 5 2 1, not 5 to 1, not 5 to 1. Suppose like no, 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 no. 5 6 7. Okay, then what? 1 2 3, I think. Let me take that. See here, let's take this input. Let's take this input. Okay, let's take this input. Let's take this input, guys. I'm removing this one. Okay, this is our input. Okay, this is our input. 3 4 5 and 1 2, guys. Please focus on this. Now we know our array is sorted, that we can find via sort, right? We can find it via like comparing it from next to next index, right? But here we have little bit complex problem. We need to check if array is sorted, that is one thing, but we need to check this thing also, that array is rotated or not. Now what is this? What is this thing? Is anyone know? Just tell me in comment if anyone know. Let me explain you first. Okay, let me explain you first. No problem. See here. Now, what is the meaning of that question is what they are asking. They are asking like, first check if it is sorted. See, 3 4 5 is sorted, right? 3 4 5 is sorted. And 1 2. If I will put this 1 2, guys, if I will put this 1 2 like 1 2 3 4 and 5, I just take that 1 2 and put it in first. Now see that array is sorted as well and rotated as well. So rotated means just take that last digit and put it in starting. Okay, then that array should be sorted. The array should be sorted. It is this only, right? It is this only. See, 3 4 5 1 2. Just we just took that 1 2 and we put in starting 1 2 3 4 5. Now array is also sorted, right? Array is also sorted. Okay, so that problem is basically saying this. Now how we can solve this? How we can solve this, guys? From which method we can solve this? What we need to check? We need to first check if array is sorted. We need to go in that manner like array is sorted, array should sorted. Then we need to check it should be rotated also. Then we need to return true, otherwise false. Okay, we need to return true if it is array sorted and rotated, otherwise false. Focus on this problem, guys. Focus on this problem. This is not simple problem. This is not simple. Think about it how we can do this. Let me explain you how we can do this. Okay, let me explain you. First thing, guys, please focus on this. First thing. Okay, first thing, what we need to check. What we need to check. First thing we need to check the sort. Yes, I am putting Umang already have sent that code here. Just go above and check Umang's code. Okay. Okay. See 34512. Now first thing we need to check. First thing we need to check sorting. Okay. First we need to check sorting. Okay. First we need to check sorting. Then we need to check rotation thing. Rotation. If it is rotation, then we need to print true. Otherwise false. Okay. So how we can do? Sorting we know, right? We will compare like A of I, where I stand for row. If it is greater from I plus 1, means our array is not sorted. If this value, suppose, greater from this value, means our array is not sorted, right? If that array is not sorted, we already done that part, guys. If 3 is greater than from 4, if 3 is greater than from 4, then our array is not sorted, right? Our array is not sorted. Okay, not sorted. Then we need to return false. Actually, that our code, me let me send to Ankit. This is our code. Okay, and for now just focus here, please focus here. For now focus here. So what we have to do, we have to first check sorting thing, then we need to check if it is rotated or not. We know how to check sorted, right? We all know now how to check sorted. We just go to like this. If this element is greater than this array is not sorted. Okay, the simplest way, right? And is sort function we have also. Now for rotation, please focus, guys. Now I'm telling you amazing thing. For rotation, how you can check? For rotation, how you can check? Let me tell you. Suppose 3, 4, 5, okay, 1 and 2. Please focus here. Please focus. Please focus. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2 here, right? Now just start your sorting first. Start your sorting first. Start your sorting first until you not get the false condition. Until you not get the false condition. Okay, so we are going to start that sorting. Now we check that 3 4 is correctly placed. This is also correctly placed. See, this is not correctly placed, right? This is not correctly placed. So we found that 1 is like 5 is greater than 1. Means from here, from here, that array is, it can be, guys, it can be, array can be rotated. Array can be rotated, right? From this position we can say, from this position we can say array can be rotated. We cannot say it will rotate, because suppose uh, it is not sorted here itself, right? Suppose 315 is there, right? 315 is there, we cannot say, right? So first we need to check. First what we need to check, we need to check is it is sorted. Then we'll need to find that place where our program is failing. Please focus. First sorting, then we need to find that place where our program is failing. Now what we need to do? Now what we need to do, guys? Please focus this. Now what we need to do? We will compare this 1 and 2 from our first element. We will compare our 1 and 2 from our first element. These element, guys, these two element or 3 4 should not be, should, please focus on this line, should not be greater then array's first element, array first element. Why? Na- what what I'm writing here? See, suppose there is one array like this. Suppose there is an array like this: 3, 4, 5, 2, and 6. See, suppose we have one array like this: 3, 4, 5, and 2, 6. Okay. Now our condition is failing here, right? Our condition is will fail here, right? Then 5 and 2, right? Then we'll think that our array is getting rotated from here, right? But see, after that 2, 6 is coming. After that 2, 6 is coming. But this is correctly placed. This is correctly placed. But when we will put this 2 and 6 at starting, but when we will put this 2, 6 at starting, it will not make a sorting array. 2, comma 6, 3, comma 4, comma 5. See guys, this is not making a correct array. Is this thing clear guys? Is this thing clear? This is not making a sorting array. Now what we have to do then? What we have to do? First thing, let me bind up, let me recall things. First thing what we need to do? First sort until not get failure condition. Okay. Then sort pending array. Sort pending array. Why we need to sort pending array? Suppose there is element like 2, 1, and 6. First we need to sort it, need to sort this, right? First we need to sort this, okay? Then at third step, we'll do the program tomorrow, okay? Okay? Just understand the concept first, okay? Sort pending array. Now what we need to do? We need to put that last elements at first. Last element at first. I hope this thing clear. And at fourth, we need to again check, is it sorted or not? And one more condition is there, that our last element should not greater from our array's first element. From array's first element. These are the steps, guys. These are the steps which we are going to follow here. There can be another approach as well. There can be that reverse approach as well. We will reverse that and we'll reverse 2 3 times, then it will also work. But in this approach, let me now explain you by program. See here, we have that input as 3 4 5 1 comma 2, right? Let me put it here, okay? See guys, please see, please focus. We have 3 4 5 1 and 2, okay? First what we need to do, we need to check, is this sorted? Is this sorted? How we can do? How we can do? We will start one loop. Start one loop. One loop. First loop, which will tell that this section is sorted or not. Okay, this section is sorted or not. Will break this loop. Will break this loop, guys. When we will break this loop, when our a of I is getting bigger from a of I plus 1. Is this clear, guys? Means our a of I getting bigger. Then we want that index. At which index? at which index our condition is failing, right? At which index our condition is failing. Okay, then we need to pick that index. Then we need to pick, or we can say that now let failure index failure index is a equal to I, right? Because that index is in a of I. See here, that index is in a of I, right? Right, I hope, please try to understand, please try to understand. Okay, it will take some time here. That is big program. Okay, that is big program. I am understanding that thing. See here, we are taking that failure index. We are taking that failure index. Now what we will do at third step, this is our second step. At third step, we will sort pending array. We will sort this array. Sort pending array. Pending array. Okay, if we sorted this array, if we sorted this array, okay, if we sorted this array, then what we need to do, there are two separation in that array. Okay, there are two separations in that array. If we I separated these array, then what I need to do, guys, please focus, please focus. What I need to do at fourth step, guys, at fourth step, I need to put last elements at starting, right? Then, guys, then this is not completed yet. Then at fifth step, we need to again check that array is sorted or not. Array is sorted or not. If it is sorted, means our array is sorted and rotated. If it is not, just fill this. Just fill this. Let me make a flowchart for this, guys. Then are easily you can easily understand that thing. First thing, please focus. First thing, iterate the loop. First loop. Okay. First loop. First loop. If we got failure, if we got failure, okay, if we got failure, if we got any failure, if we got any failure, okay, just take that, just take that index. Okay, just take that index. Okay, just take that index. Guys, just take that index. Failure index. Okay, I also can say failure index. Okay, now what we have to do, start that loop again. Start that loop again. Okay, start that loop again. Start that loop again. And again sort it. Again sort it. Please focus, guys, please focus. Again sort that last array, right? That 3 to 4, like 3 to 5, 1 2. Now 1 2 is already sorted in that. Okay, just then we need to sort. Okay, then what we need to do, if it is not sorted, if it is not sorted, will return false. Okay, then what we need to do, then what we need to do, we need to put this last array, or we can say just spread it like first and last. Okay, just put first, not first, last first. Just put last and first, right? Then it is making one array, right? It is making one array. Then again sort it. Again sort it. then we can exactly tell that array is rotated and sorted, guys. I hope you are able to understand this thing. What we need to do, we have 3 4 5. Okay, we have 3 4 5. Just check it is sorted or not. Then at failure index, just check these things, just put it here, then again check it. That's it we need to do, guys. That's it we need to do. Please tell if you got that or not. Please comment if you got that problem or not. It is little bit challenging, little bit complexing, okay, but we need to understand this. Is it clear, guys? Got it. Very good, Shiva. Very good. Anyone, Ankit? Very good, Adit. Vasant, root concept is basically here that our array is sorted first, and rotated is like just put that last part in the starting, okay, then check if it is making a sorted array or not. That is that concept of rotate. Yes, we exactly that, it is for sorting only. Exactly, we are checking it, okay, exactly we are checking it, like just putting the value there, and we are making one logic here, then only we can do this, okay. This is the logic for that. Yes, this is the logic, like we can solve that. Otherwise we have reverse, if we have reverse approach as well, okay, we have reverse approach as well. I will discuss this tomorrow, okay. For now, just try to make that, okay, just try to make that thing, okay, just try to make that, okay. Just open your JS compiler, guys, please open with me. Now let's try it. Let's try it, guys. It is little bit complex, okay. Now what we need to do, what we need to do, just take one array, okay, take one array from here. Please do with me, guys, please do with me. Okay, we have numbers here, we have numbers here. I'll just focus on that program, okay, and then you can more able to understand that thing, okay. Please open your compiler, okay, just do that coding part, okay. What we need in that program, first thing, we need kind of break index. I'm just putting like, wait, yes, this is concept of rotate, but let's see that program, okay, let's see that program, okay, then we can easily understand, okay, then we can easily. So what exactly we need here, we need first that array length nums dot minus one, okay. We need break index as well. I'm putting as a break index. Siva, start coding, Siva. Please start coding, Siva. 0, break index as a 0, okay. Then what exactly we want, we have break index, then we have numbers. Now what we are going to do here, now what we are going to do here, please think about it. What we are going to do here, we have to just sort this, then we have to compare it, then we have to put it like this, then we have to like this we have to do here, okay. Now let's start the loop, okay, let's start the loop, okay, let's start the loop. Let me change the view. All are able to see, right? All are able to see. All are able to see. Let me zoom it. I think now it is more perfect. Okay, I think now it is more perfect. Please focus on that. Please focus on that, guys. Now, from which position to which position? Okay, from I to n minus 1. Okay, from I to n minus 1 and I plus plus. This is for basically for first check. For first check. Okay, nums, or I can say this as nums only. Okay, if our this thing is greater than this, okay, then we will mark as a break index, guys. We will mark that as a break index, as we already know. Please see here. Please see here. Whenever we got our failure condition, see, whenever we got our failure condition, okay, we will put that as a where I wrote there. See here. Whenever we got that, we will put as a failure index, or we can say as a break index. Okay, from here we need to break our code. Just break it. I will explain it properly. Okay, just give me 2-3 minutes. Okay, now from another loop, we have to start that loop from that break index, from there to last. Okay, from there to last, from break index to n minus 1. N is what? N is what here? Numbers length. Okay, then I plus plus. Same thing, guys, we need to do here. Same thing we need to do. What is this for? Same thing we need to do here as well. Okay, in that case we need to return false, because let me just complete it. What we are doing here now, what we are doing, we are just doing this part sorting, see here, we are starting that loop from break index, means from here, guys, from here we are starting, and till last we are going. If we are found any sorting problem here, if we are finding any sorting problem, then we will return immediately false. Okay, that only we are doing. In first loop, what we are doing, we are just finding that break index. In second loop, what we are doing, we are checking this, that last array is sorted or not. At the last loop, what we need to do, just take I, and it will start from break index. The same thing exactly we need to do here. Let me take it. See. But the catch here is we need to do this from array of 0. Let me do once, then I will explain you properly. Okay, then will print return true. Will print return true. Okay, will print return true. Let me little bit minimize this. Okay, let me little bit minimize this. Okay, just make the function here is short rotate, okay, put all your code inside that. Okay, and put return true as well. And what we need to do here, just call that function, with this value. and pass the num here. Pass the num here. Okay, pass the num here. This, let me check now once. Let me check now, guys. We have this. We have n here. We have break index. Okay, we have break index, and just put it like it's sorted or rotated. It's sorted and rotated. Okay, like we are checking is sorted or rotated. Okay, please let me share you this code, guys. I am sharing you this code on WhatsApp. Okay, on WhatsApp I am sharing this code. Okay, now see why this is coming. Now see, guys, please see this. Just copy that code from WhatsApp. Okay, copy that code, guys. Then we are going to understand that problem now. First we'll check it is working or not. Let's, I'm running. See, guys, what is our input here? 345102, right? 345102 means, let me put this input 34512. 34512. See, now it will return true. Hey, what is this here? 34512. What is the problem? Wait, let me check one more time. This is a little bit complex, guys. This is a little bit complex. We need to return true. Okay. Now let's analyze this code. Okay, let's analyze this code. We are count break. There's no use of count breaks. Okay, just remove this. We have break index and we are putting break index as this, and till n minus 1 we are going return false if it is there, and same thing, and return true. It should work. 1 2 3 4 5. Mhm. Mm, if I will put here minus 1, then oh, yeah. Siva, your code is running, just send your code. Cha, cha, cha. Let me take 354. Yes, it is working. It is working, correct. See here, guys, please see here. But I think so it will fall here. 102. If I will put it like 120, it should return false. Yes, it is working. Okay, guys, please see here now. Vasant, are you there? Vasant, Shiva. I think me and Shiva only there. Is anyone there, guys? Okay, no problem. So this this code is there, guys. This is a little bit complex. It seems complex, but the main, if you get this now, guys, if you understand this, then you can make it. Okay, you can make it. So that is the concept, yeah. That is the concept for this program. This is a little bit complex, okay. And then we have array leaders problem, current occurrence, duplicate. We have too much problems in array, okay. I think we need to extend that array section. I think we need to extend that array section. We'll check, yeah. We'll check. So this is the code I am sending. That one having some error, okay. We'll understand this as well tomorrow as well, okay. If anyone have any problem, we'll do this, okay. So shall we wind up this series, guys? Shall we complete? Yes, Vasant, I will explain this by tomorrow as well, no problem. I will explain the code one line by line as well. My energy also went from past 2 hours. Okay, I will explain that code line by line tomorrow. Okay, just watch that concept video only. Okay, watch that concept video only. We'll see. Okay, that is for that video here. So we are just closing video. Okay, thank you guys for joining this. Okay, Vasant. Okay, Shiva. So that's it for that. Okay, Shiva. Okay. Bye bye, guys. Bye, guys. Okay, Vasant. Good night, buddy. Yes, Vasant. See, I am making here for real time making. 15 likes. अरे कोई like नहीं कर रहा यार कोई like. See, Vasant. I am making that thing. Let me show you. Yaar. Let me show you quick demo for that. I haven't not getting that time to see this. See this. I'm making that complete series, Vasant. I'm making complete series with hooks. Okay, we'll understand everything about it. First, I'm making for hooks. See, we are warriors, right? That's why I put here warriors. See this. So I'm making this here. It will take some time. Okay, it will take some time. I'm putting like things which should be very understandable. Okay. Yes, it will come soon. Yeah, it will come soon because it will take time to complete. Okay. So that's it, guys, for today. Okay. Now we are just winding up. Okay. So we'll meet tomorrow at 9 p.m. Okay. We'll meet at tomorrow 9 p.m. Okay, Ankit, thank you for joining. Okay, Shiva, everyone, thank you for joining, guys. Let's complete this. Bye, guys. Good night. सो जाओ जाके सब. I am ending.